Have you ever woken up in the morning and looking out the window and your eye catch a moment that could brighten your whole day? A red and orange sky. I have, and that moment was so stunning to me. I used to not to know how this could happen, and it's just like magic to me, but after this course, I know how the magic works. First, we have to consider the composition of the atmosphere, for it made of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and dust, and which later on caused the scattering of the light. Secondly, sunlight doesn't have only one light white color as we usually see by our bare eyes. It consists of 7 colors from red to blue, and the blue is better at scattering than red light. And we see the red color as well as the orange color at the sky when it's sunrise or sunset, because usually when we're looking at the sky during the day, we just see the blue because the blue is better at scattering at the atmosphere better than the orange color. But when the sunrise or sunset, the distance from the sun to reach the Earth's surface is longer than the sun when it is above your head. So when sunrise or sunset, the pathway is longer, which means that sunlight has to travel farther to reach your eyes, and that is the reason why the red color and the orange color, which have the longer length waves, will show up in the sky at that moment. That is the reason why we have such beautiful color of the sky like red or orange when it's sunrise or sunset. Thank you.